So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to select Sun Pharma stock to trade. So we'll be selecting Sun Pharma and we'll see how the stock will perform. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 2nd of November and the time is almost 9:11 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. Going to the market data pre-open market page, and here we can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 17,970.90 at 0.23% up. 39 advanced stocks, 8 declines, and 3 unchanged. Okay, so most of the stocks are opening in the advantage side, that is in a gap up section. So let's see when the market opens how the market will go and how the stocks will perform. So let's say the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Tata Motors with 4.28% up. So its previous close was 485.70 and today it's opening at 506.50, I guess. And TechM with 1% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that will be Indus India Bank with 0.74% down and Kotak Bank with 0.50% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trades what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to select Sun Pharma stock to trade. So we'll be selecting Sun Pharma and we'll see how the stock will perform, and also I'll be telling you I'll be doing a buy or sell in next few seconds. I'm planning to short sell Sun Pharma in the market level around 795. So I've short sold now. Let's wait for the stock to come down. So guys, yes, if you guys see, the stock is very volatile today. Okay, the stock made a low of almost 790.15, and as you guys saw, the stock hit 792.50 somewhere around there. So at that time I took my exit, so I was able to book 3.5 rupees of target with 10,000 quantity. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Sun Pharma. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit, you can join us today. And also, yes, the stock was very volatile, and you can see the market is also like it's in between now, like it's 0.01 0.15% up, trading at 17,956. So even at the this kind of market situation, you need to be having a good decision making when you're entering to a stock or a trade. Okay, so anyway, we booked a quick profit. The movement was very fast, so that's why the I was able to book that quick profit. Okay, or else I could have waited for the long time. But anyway, the stock was also an event, so that's why I don't want to risk it and take the position for a long time. So once it hit like almost zero point 0.3 to 0.5% target, I just took my exit. Okay, so yes, the stock is now at 796 and 795. It's range bounded for a few minutes. I guess it's just trading in this level from long time. So anyway, I just took my exit. So if you guys wish to learn all these techniques, you can join us today. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.